Here I have HTC Desire 530, and let me show you how to enter recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's press power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. And afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as HTC logo pops up on the screen. As you may notice, that download mode of HTC just pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to highlight Reboot the Bootloader and press power key to choose it. The device is booting into bootloader, and now you can navigate in the same way, so scroll down and choose boot to recovery mode by pressing power key. Now the HTC Desire is switching on into a recovery mode. As soon as image with phone and exclamation mark pops up, let's press power key, and while holding power key, press volume up once. And this is the Android recovery mode. Here you can also navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see, you can apply update from ADB, you can apply update from SD card, you may also wipe data factory reset or wipe cache partition. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power off or reboot to system now. In my case, let me choose Reboot System Now and press power key to choose it. Of course, right now the HTC Desire is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so you have to wait until the whole operation will be completed.